In this example, we'll be solving the equation by completing the square. So here's our quadratic equation, 4x squared minus 12x plus 9 equals 7. So this part on the left, this quadratic expression on the left, should look familiar from the previous example. So we've already completed the square with the plus 9, so we're going to replace 4x squared minus 12x plus 9 with the binomial square that we found from the previous example, the previous page. So 4x squared minus 12x plus 9 is the same as 2x minus 3 all squared, and it's equal to 7. Now, to undo or get rid of this square, we're going to square root both sides. And so the opposite of squaring is square rooting, and so now we have 2x minus 3 equals plus or minus square root of 7. And I've got a note here to tell you why it's plus or minus. So as a reminder, if I told you that x squared equals 9, some number squared equals 9, what's one answer? X equals 3. But there's another answer besides 3. Another number that when you square it equals 9 is negative 3. So the idea here is anytime you square root both sides of an equation, you'll have the positive answer as well as the negative answer. So that's why we have here positive and negative square root 7. So for our next step, we're going to get rid of the minus 3 by adding 3 to both sides. And so we have 2x is equal to 3 plus or minus the square root of 7. And then finally, divide both sides by 2, and we have x equals x equals 3 plus or minus the square root of 7 over 2, and that is the answer to this quadratic equation. And we have successfully solved this quadratic equation by completing the square.